Hey guys, Theresa here. Have you ever wondered how you can delete that Reels draft on Instagram? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram account, then go to the home page and then tap onto the reel icon. There you see all the reels that you have posted, also a draft as well. So in order to delete that draft that I have in there, hit draft. Tap onto select the video you want to discard or delete, tap onto discard and it will be gone. So I don't want to delete this one, but I'm just showing you as an example here. So yeah, if this video has helped you, give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Also, once a month, I want to do a one-on-one consultation with one of you guys. So if you want to enter or want to be a part of it, all you need to do is leave a sun emoji in the comment section. And once a month, I will pick one of you guys and we can sit down and chit chat about anything relating to social media. You can ask me questions regarding Instagram, TikTok, and also YouTube. That's all for me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.